Hey, I'm Paul with RackAttack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2011 through 2022 and possibly beyond Mitsubishi Outlander Sport with flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack set of four, and then the WingBar Evo load bars set of two, offered in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four of these molded rubber base pads, and then a set of four of these rubberized metal brackets, and then four of the fasteners. So these parts have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet that's included with the fit kit, to help guide you in the correct placement and with the assembly. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that now with one of the feet here. So this is the Evo Flush Rail foot. I'll just go ahead and pull off this outer cover. And with that removed, you can see we have a threaded post here. So now these components with the fitting kit not only have numbers associated to them, but they also have letters associated to them. So the first component to be installed has the letter A. And so we'll go ahead and just set that one into place. The next part to be installed is a rubber base pad, and that has the letter B, and that is right there. So we'll go ahead and press that into place on the underside of the foot. And then the next part to be installed is the outer portion of the metal clamp, and I'll just hook it to the top and hinge it down, and then use the fastener to hold all those components of the fitting kit into place onto the foot. So the next step would be to put the foot onto the load bar. Let's do that next. So here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you could see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. This design has a dedicated track that runs along the top of the bar. It's accessed from the end of the bar by opening the end cap, and you can slide in the approved hardware in between the two pieces of rubber. No need to cut that rubber. That gives you a very clean and integrated method of attaching certain carriers directly to the top of the bar. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the foot onto the bar. I'll take off this end cap, and then here we have the underbar slot. Within this slot, we do have a plastic strip with measurements. These measurements are not used for this installation unless you use those for yourself manually to manually self-center your load bars. However, you use this to fill in the gap of the slot to maintain good aerodynamics. So let's go ahead and simply just slide the foot into the slot, and then let's go ahead and put the end cap back into place. And it's important to put that end cap into place before taking this to the vehicle and maneuvering it around the vehicle so that the foot doesn't slide off the end and come detached. So once you have this stage, you'll set this down onto the side rail of the vehicle. You center your load bars, and then you can begin tightening this fastener into place. To do that, we've got a tool that's included with the foot pack, and you would tighten one side about 50%, and then you would go to the opposite side and begin tightening it about 50%, and then come back to this side and finish off the tightening until the point at which this handle on the end actually clicks. So it'll click when it reaches 4 Newton meters. That way you're assured it's fully tightened. And so you tighten, and we'll get it all the way until you can hear that click there. Okay, so then you do have some exposed slot on the underside of the bar here. You want to fill that in with rubber that's supplied with the load bars to help maintain that good aerodynamic performance. Now we can go ahead and return the outer cover back into place with a click. And also you can give this plastic plug a quarter turn, and that will hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal locking cylinder. This is part of Thule's one key system so that you can have all 4 of your towers all key matched and just lock and unlock with one key. That can be extended to other accessories as well. So for example, carriers that you may attach to the top, you can have all those key matched as well using the same key for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo flush rail base roof rack system for the 2011 through 2022 and possibly beyond Mitsubishi Outlander Sport with flush side rails. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options for this system. Also, please like and subscribe. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos that may be of interest to you. And if you have any questions about this system, feel free to leave those below in the comments. And thanks for watching.